Hello, welcome to a Star Wars Outlaws video walkthrough. I have been trying to fix a problem that I thought I had caused somehow, even if I caused it was really a bug, and it is the fact that I can no longer fast travel anywhere. I completed a couple of quests after I first noticed this appeared, hoping it would go away. It hasn't gone away. If you check a couple of my other videos, I've tried two other ways of fixing this. I've read a little bit about what some people think might be going on. And just as a quick refresher, the first thing I did is, seems to be where I lost, at least my memory is, where I lost my fast travel when I got the Super Troopers to come after me. But then again, that might just have been when I noticed it. So I tried to go back to this area where they appeared. You notice it's red. And I went ahead and attacked them all and cleared it out. And it didn't fix it. I then took a quick run over to the terminal that's over here on the outside, which is also involved in where the Super Troopers came, and hacked into the terminal to see if I could clear some type of wanted status. And that didn't clear it either. Now, someone else in a blog post had a different problem where they actually couldn't fly off of a planet after finishing a quest. I did not run into that problem, but that's even more disturbing than just not being able to fast travel around. And what they said to do is to go into your journal, and I haven't checked this out yet, and go down into your quests and see if you have any that are travel restricted, which you can see I have one here, and to drop these. Not exactly sure how to do that. Obviously it's not here. So I think what I'll have to do is head to my ship. If you follow along with me, we'll see if this works. Since I can't fast travel to the ship happens to be right over there. It is not that far away. Guess we can bring the speeder bike in. This is the new release where the speeder bike supposedly does a better job of arriving. It takes a little bit longer to get here, like it drives from the other place. Hello, where did you go? Speeder bikes still have some troubles. Really? Where'd my speeder bike go? Oh, there's another little glitch. Wait, is it coming? Here it comes. This took a long time to get here. Come on, hurry up. I remember you played Cyberpunk 2077, which is kind of fun. The vehicles also tend to drive to you if they're nearby, and when they come flying in at full speed and hit a giant set of brakes. All right, let's come in here. I think inside the ship we can manage a lot of people wandering around in here these days. I think it's over here. I remember doing it once. No, it's not in my room. It's in the lounge. Is it here?
Oh,
Access
hey.
terminal.
Sarah?
Local brokers. Manage contracts. There we go. Let's take this one and end that contract. We'll track that one. And we'll see if we can fast travel. And sure enough, that fixed the bug. Hallelujah. Glad I didn't have to go try some of the other things I was thinking of trying. Probably add that back in again at some point in time, but I don't like them anyway, so we'll leave them out. So what I had to do is go to anywhere that you can manage your broker contracts, check it out and see if you have a time restricted, which requires you not to use any kind of fast travel. Go ahead and delete it. It resets that flag, and there we go. I can fast travel again. So this looks like a good fix. If you have this problem, go ahead and do it. You can always add one of those back in. They're not really that hard to find. There are a bunch of places. So thanks for watching. I will mark this as fixed. If it doesn't work for you, let me know. We can look at something else perhaps. But thanks for watching. Have a great day. Subscribe. Drop me any comments. We will catch you later.